Welcome to the web development. We know there are many software and applications which are available right now, which will allow you to record your PC and laptop screen. But in this video, we are going to talk about a software which will help you to record your PC and laptop screen in full HD display. And not only that, you will be able to record your voice at the same time. And guess what? It's absolutely free. Yes, we are talking about OBS Studio. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to download it and how to install it. So stay tuned in the video and follow all the steps. So as we can see, this is our screen, and from there we will go to obsproject.com and we will download for Windows. But if you are having Mac OS or Linux, you can download it accordingly to your preference. And as we can see, our download has started. Well, our download has completed, and now we will be opening the OBS Studio installation file. Now here is the setup file, and now we will click on the next button. This is a terms and license for the OBS Studio. Now this is where you want to install the main file, so you can choose accordingly, and as we can see, our installation has started. Our installation has completed, and we'll click on the launch OBS Studio and click on finish. Now we can see OBS Studio has been launched. It says auto configuration wizard. The first option says optimize for streaming, and the second option says optimize just for recording, and the third one says I will be using only for virtual camera, but we will be using OBS Studio for recording our PC screen. So for that we will be using optimize just for recording. Now we have the video settings. Here we can see the different types of resolutions and frame rate. If you have a high-end PC, then I will recommend you to choose 1920 x 1080p with 60 fps settings for the best recording experience. But you can choose the settings according to your PC configuration. Then after selecting the resolution, it shows the encoding format, quality, resolution and FPS. You can surely change the settings later according to your preference. Then click on apply settings, and now you're ready to record or stream. A detailed setup video on OBS Studio will be coming soon. For more such informative videos, subscribe to the web development. Thank you for watching.